Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should go to Contacts application, tap Skip, then go to Fix and Manage section, select Manage SIM. So here you can select which contacts you want to transfer. So when you're done selecting, just tap Import, and after that these contacts will appear in your device contacts list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.